in regarding to the recent dispute and distrust issues about masks from China, I think there are a few things to clarify. First, 3 layers is never and will never be used as a medical masks. Even average Chinese people know that. Medical mask must be 4 layers, and there are 2 different kinds. One is KN95. KN95 is also 4 layers. The BFE, the bacterial filtration efficiency rate, is over 95%. And there's another one, is N95. The BFE is over 98%. What is the difference of these 2? KN95 can be used by non-frontline, the surgical medical masks. So, for example, the people who work in the hospital, in the kitchen, or in the cleaning, not engaged with the frontline in the quit ICU, in average people working in that environment, like a Ruth's house, the elderly home, they can use KN95. The one who work at the front line, dealing with the coronavirus frontline, they have to use N95 masks. When it comes to the certificate, that it become even more hilarious situation. There were 2 foreign company issues CE certificate in China, which now every Chinese manufacturer knows those are not qualified CE certificate. One is ECM and the other one is ICM. Both companies are foreign companies' operations in China. So there's no so-called Chinese fake certificate. The question is whether the European customers, European hospitals, or government recognize the efficiency and effectiveness of these 2 certificates. But there are a lot of companies also have operation in China can issue a CE certificate. But that is not enough. Therefore, Chinese government issue a very strict export regulation starting from the 1st April. The exporter must attach the testing report issued by CNAS authorized laboratory. Only 48. And on each report, there's a details information about the methods, okay, and also the result per item, and what is the final conclusion. On this method, there are different code. The number starts with 1, that's mean medical use. The number starting with 2, that means non-medical use. So the China side is very clear. Belgian, Dutch, or the German importers, at this moment, if you say you are not agreed and you do not recognize the CE certificate issued from China, and you want to have a testing report in English, first of all, the CNAS testing certificate, the testing report is in Chinese because it's meant for the China customs to control it. It's not for the export buyers. You do have to see the original test in Chinese. Don't just depend on the English, okay? What I did is I received Chinese, I put English, and I said to the Dutch company, is if you have any problem, send these documents to the China embassy in Holland. They have the course certified translator to verify the translation is correct or not. And they make that testing report approved and certified. In case the Belgian, Dutch, or in German hospital, they do not accept the testing report or the C certificate, they have a question, they have a doubt. It's very simple. They can send the samples to the laboratory in Europe to do the testing. Then in this case, you have to outline which laboratory have the right equipment and using common agreed standards in Europe to perform such a test, and how soon they can issue such a test certificate. Because without your approval, China's shipment is not able to come out. And we are fighting against coronavirus on every second, every hour. We cannot wait. The doctor, nurses cannot wait because their safety comes first. Patients, they cannot wait. We are losing life every day, every moment. And we try to limit the fatalities. We need to increase the safety for our doctors and nurses because they too are either father, mother, husband, wife, and children to their family. So don't let the coronavirus to become a political virus or the racism virus, because the coronavirus is worse enough. And the political and the racist virus are even worse. This is Mei Lan from Belgian Chinese Tea Association. Have a nice day.